How to set up a V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera. First, download the V380 Pro app and reset the camera. Install V380 Pro from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Plug the camera into power. Press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear the voice prompt indicating the camera has been reset, and wait until the camera enters pairing mode. Step 2. Connect your phone to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Before adding the camera, connect your phone to Wi-Fi. V380 Pro cameras don't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Keep the camera close to your router during setup for the strongest signal. Step 3. Add the camera. Open V380 Pro, tap the plus button, select Add Camera, then scan the QR code on the camera, or choose the appropriate camera type if no QR code is available. Step 4. Connect the camera to Wi-Fi. Depending on your camera model, you'll use one of these methods. QR code pairing, where you enter your Wi-Fi password, then hold your phone 15 to 30 centimeters in front of the camera so it can scan the QR code. Or AP hotspot pairing. Connect your phone to the camera's hotspot when prompted. Then return to the app and complete setup. Step 5. Finish the setup. Wait until the camera announces Wi-Fi connected. Create a Wi-Fi password. Create a device password when prompted. Give the camera a name. Open the live view to verify that the camera is online. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.